In this video, I'll show you how to sign out of the Outlook app on Android and iOS. If you want to sign out of the Outlook mobile app, the main thing to know is that Outlook usually handles this by removing the account from the app. Microsoft's Outlook Mobile Help says that to remove an email account in Outlook for Android or Outlook for iOS, you go to Settings, then Accounts, select the account, and tap Remove Account. Let's start with the basic steps. Open the Outlook app on your phone, then tap your profile icon or your account picture to open the menu. After that, go into Settings. Inside Settings, find the Account section and tap the email account you want to sign out of. When that account page opens, choose Remove Account. Microsoft lists these as the standard Outlook mobile steps for both Android and iPhone. On iPhone and iPad, Microsoft also explains sign out steps more generally for Office mobile apps. It says you can tap Account, select the account you're using, then tap Sign Out and confirm again. That means depending on the Microsoft app and version you're using, you may either see a direct sign out button or the remove account option inside Outlook settings. On Android, the process is very similar. Open Outlook, go to Settings, tap your account, and then remove it from the app. Microsoft's general mobile guidance for Office apps also says Android sign-out options can appear after tapping the person icon and selecting your account name, so the exact screen layout can vary a little by app version. Now here's an important point. Removing the account from the Outlook app signs you out of that mailbox in the app, but it does not close or delete your Microsoft account itself. If your goal is broader account security, Microsoft also provides a Sign Out Everywhere option from your Microsoft Account Security dashboard. Microsoft says this can take up to 24 hours to fully apply across devices. There's also another situation to keep in mind. If you lost your phone or want to break the sync connection, Microsoft says you can remove the phone partnership from Outlook on the web or from your Microsoft account device management pages. Microsoft also notes that removing a device partnership does not wipe the phone itself, so in most cases, the fastest method is simple. Open Outlook, go to Settings, choose your account, and tap Remove Account. That is the usual way to sign out of Outlook on both Android and iOS. And that's it. That's how to sign out of the Outlook app on Android and iOS. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.